I mean it, Raven. You are grounded for 9 days for hiding your food behind my back.
Now I am grounded after I tried to hide my food in the kitchen cabinets. Like, come on. It's not my fault that I don't want to eat any of the food we have at this house. Now how am I gonna keep myself entertained while being punished? Boy, what do you want from me? Don't you see that I am feeling down in the disgusting dumps after my mom punished me for no reason? Excuse my temper for what? What was that you say? Well, ha 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 ha. That actually feels like a really interesting idea you decided to come up there. I was sure to come over and test out this invention you got. Now to sneak out of this house before anyone finds out that I'm nowhere to be seen.
One mile later.
Finally, it's about time you showed up for this amazing moment where we'll test out this new invention.
Girl, do you got your little invention for our test run?
Boy, I got the stuff. Someone's gonna laugh their pants off once they begin doing you know what. Now off we go. To the place where those 9 little targets are currently at. Everyone, charge.
Another painful mile later. Open this door now or we're breaking in. You got 10 seconds.
Are you 8 kidding us right now? What is with this kind of bag talking in the middle of this sunny day?
The afternoon just started and already you guys have got an attitude for no truthful reason. Jeez.
Anyways, what brings you guys over here anyway? We hope it's nothing super bad, or else you're gonna have to leave.
Go. That doesn't sound any positive at all. Not good. One bit.
You guys better not be doing anything super bad. And do us a favor and get away with us right this instant. Go away or...
Say hello to our little friend.
Dude, that blast has no effect on us. That invention is likely, broken, or, needs some. What the? Hey, how on earth, did I all of a sudden got the, hiccups? It's just likely a little, bit of a, huh? Oh my, goodness. I got the hiccups, too.
How on earth did that, happen?
Oh my god. Unikitty and Puppy Court. Sounds like you too, and Lil Pleaty, got the hiccups out of, nowhere.
Oh my gills, baby. You got them, as well.
Look, Asp. Now Baby and William both have them. What a, disaster this is, becoming.
Oh no. Goldie, you, got the hiccups too. This is, getting, out of hand.
Oh, the humanity. Someone please just, stop our friends from, hiccuping.
Cause now the two of us, have got them. How did, we all, got the hiccups, in, a matter of, time.
Boy, those reactions are so priceless.
Now thanks to them getting the hiccups from that invention, we are now going to be YouTube famous.
And it's all thanks to me, and the help of this little invention that made everything such a totally priceless show. Ha 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 ha, everything's so good.
How dare you all? Hand us that invention over this minute or else we're selling all 9 of you people for money.
what is your problems, you 8 troublemakers? We cannot believe on the type of nonsense that you all have somehow come up with.
How dare you 9 use an invention that makes us get the hiccups in a snap, which causes us to hiccup non-stop.
Just what were you guys thinking? Blasting us with a remote control type invention that causes us to get the hiccups?
That has got to be the most ridiculous invention you 9 have ever came up with. Period.
That is so it. You 9 are grounded once again from such a really terrible plot you have all came up with.
You 9 are punished for 8 weeks, and we're keeping this invention for safekeeps to prevent a similar issue from occurring.
And furthermore, you may not go on your devices, toys, video games, and TVs until you are no longer grounded anymore.
Now get out of our sights. Right now.
What do you think I'll do next? To be continued on
Well, at least our hiccups are now gone. Now to hide this thing and keep it out of reach from those kids.
Now we can get back to playing dress up in peace, long before those 9 have to interrupt us.
Sweet niblets. Now I can get back to pretending to be like Rudy from Chalk Zone, while little Pleaty pretends to be Snap. Now let's head back inside and ensure that our playdate will not be ruined for the rest of the day.